I only giggle because it like sums up the entire week. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I thought I was filming. I thought I filmed everything I just did right here, and I was talking about how I was going to, voice over this later and reminding myself things I wanted to say. Alas, earwax. So I'm using the soft kit from Coffee Planner Mom in my plan with me this week. Friends, last week was so stressful. This is Sunday night. You can probably tell that I'm not planning at my usual time because I got shadows across the page. It just is what it is. But it's all good. We're gonna make it work. But I was having a fabulous time layering stickers and all that and thinking about, okay, so like when I voice over this later, we're not voicing over. This is how it is. I even went through showing at the beginning what last week's spread looked like because I didn't get a chance to film last week because life was just kind of cattywampus and all that. But oh well, that's how it goes sometimes. Oh goodness. So we do have things like my mom's birthday this week. That's on the 13th. This is fun with all like the sprigs of branches. And I might add some of the leaves on top. So yes, so laugh along with me, friends. It's all good. Whew. I cannot believe it. I just looked up and was like, oh, my phone's dark. Why is my phone dark? Oh, because I forgot to press record. Sweet. Oh, anyway. Alas. So yes, my mom's birthday. There's doctor's appointment on Thursday. Actually, one's on Friday. I still have to mark off. I have a Zoom meeting with my professional group. It's our media committee on the 18th, so I need to put a box up there too. Probably do it like this. I wasn't expecting this to happen, but that worked out real great. Right there. Yeah. So yeah, that's how that's turning out. So I got one. Oh, and Sharpie has a hair appointment. I was very sad to find out that the groomer we've been going to, they had decided that they weren't going to do weekends anymore except for at a couple places, and my place and my lady was still going to do weekends, and now she's decided she's not going to do weekends anymore. So I had to find another groomer because just my schedule during the week does not really allow for it. So oh well, but that's okay. Let's get our chore list in, and I might actually put it, I feel like the middle is getting a little clogged up here, but let's go ahead and put it, it's very pink there. I think I need some more of the yellows and browns, so let's grab yellow for a quick little checklist on this side, just in case we need it. And then we'll do more of this guy for our chores list. I am still planning on doing my loop giveaway. I'm just waiting for a couple of the giveaway items to come in. I'll show you that too in a moment. We'll just do a little flip through tonight to add on to this mayhem and foolishness. Let's add a quote. Let's do the surround yourself with things you love. We'll do it like right there. I like that. Yeah, last week was crazy, friends. We had doctor's appointments and realtor things for my parents' house, and we had solar panels. I don't think I said that. Solar panels were installed last week at my house on our roof, so that was really cool, but it made for kind of a crazy week, and school was a little nutty as well, but that's just how that goes sometimes. So meal plans. I feel like we should use this one, but again, we did the close by thing. Holly always forgets about that. Maybe we do something a little bit different. Let's go ahead and put meal plan and put it up a little bit higher. I should tell you guys, I have found it is not an actual new Hello Train. It's not actually a new channel. It's a channel that's been around on YouTube, but it's new to me. And I was looking for, okay, let's add to how this week went. I was on the Weight Watchers struggle bus yet again. Like, I feel like I've got round trip tickets and never get off. Of the Weight Watchers struggle bus. But I found a channel. So it's just like, I just gotta get better at meal planning and meal prepping and like really figuring things out. And her channel's called Planning Us Healthy. And hopefully I'm not as hot of a mess as I might be right now. And I'll put it right here. She, for some reason, the way she meal plans, and I don't think it's really any different than anybody else's. Like, it's not like she came out with this brand new way to meal prep and meal plan, but it just resonated with me. Do you ever have that happen where like you've heard the same thing over and over again, but for some reason the way this one person stated it, it like all clicked. That bullet point's not moving, so we're gonna leave it. This is the Woodland Hues bullet points, by the way, so I know it's a little more saturated, but like, it's cool. Let me just give it a little pop. We'll put our meals here, our dinner meals. So last week I did, from her meal prep and plan, these breakfast bowls that were chicken sausage, potatoes, and eggs, and like a side of fruit. So good. First of all, I didn't even know like chicken breakfast sausage was a thing. I do now. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm only gonna do 5 because I know some of these are gonna be leftover nights. And then for lunches, what we did, I did a Weight Watcher recipe that was chicken tortellini soup. Also so good. So good. Amazing. All right, let's see what else we have in the way of quotes, because I have another idea of what I want to do here after how stressful last week was. And yes, I have been tracking my self-care. We're going to take a look at that here together, because again, we got time. Because I didn't film half the video. Half of the video. It happens. I'm just checking to make sure I'm not missing like some awesome quotes that I had that were just like lying around. You know, just lying around. I don't think so. Alright, we're gonna do for this week oh, should I use one of these? Because I don't need a ton of, let's use this one. Meal plan. And here we're gonna do a week playlist. Playlist of the week. I did like a bigger playlist earlier in the summer, but I thought like doing like 6 different songs. I keep forgetting that this one's running out. Oh well. I'm gonna add like maybe a song a day. I'll have to remember to show you the after the pen on this one. Alright, we're gonna do one more quote at the top because we can. Then we're gonna call this spread good. And then I'll show you my self-care area so that you can be like, Oh, she really is a hot mess. No. She's this guy. No, so our schedules are just kind of a little back and forth. Trying to figure out, like I said, trying to figure out the best time for me to plan so I'm not in my husband's way when he's doing schoolwork, you know. And everybody's, you know, we're all just getting used to each other again. And for those of you who are new, what I mean by this is that in June, my parents moved in with me. Me and my husband. And so, you know, it's just going through that period of adjustment, which if you've seen that movie, if you've seen the movie Period of Adjustment, comment yes below, like let me know. If you haven't, go watch it. It's ridiculous. It's an old movie. It's black and white. Don't let that get you, okay? It's quality. It's quality. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back on the discs. And then I'll show you last week's spread, since I didn't get to film it. I don't even know if I'll get it up on Instagram. Maybe I will. Oh my goodness. So here was last week's spread. So I didn't get to film it, but I wanted something super focused on health. And I will say I was pleasantly surprised because we had a big festival that we went to, so lots of not healthy food. So I maintained my weight this week. I'm okay with that because there were a lot of things that could easily have thrown me off, but we're good. We're good. So there's that. Now let's go back to the self-care page. I still have to go through because I have journaled more and I haven't filled it in. So the black lines are when I didn't do those things. But if you notice, the whole point of this page, on the self-care page, meal planning is priority, it's not that I have to do all 4 things every day. It's like trying to fit one in or make time to fit one in every day. Like I said, journaling I did do more of. I just haven't filled it in. So there you go. If you like this video, if you thought this was a hot mess and you enjoyed it because, you know, train wreck sometimes, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Like I said, loop giveaway is going to happen. I promise, because I have put it out there into the universe. And so now it has to happen, because I said. All right. See you later, guys.